Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. Today, I'm going to be showing you how you can easily reset your password for your OKX wallet. So let's jump in right into the video. Open your OKX application from your app drawer. If you're trying to log into your OKX wallet app, you'll now need to tap on sign up/login button. While logging into your account, if you choose the email option, you'll need to go ahead and type in your email. If you choose the phone option, make sure to enter a phone number. After you are done entering the credentials, tap next. And soon after you see this login password box, you'll then need to enter your password for your account. If you're having trouble remembering your password, all you need to do is to tap on forgot your password link. Now, go ahead and enter your phone number or your email and tap on this little square box to activate the confirm button, and now tap on confirm. Complete through the captcha as shown on the display, and after you are done with it, it'll take you to a new page where you can easily reset to a new password. To reset to a new one, you'll first need to enter the new password you are trying to reset to in the first text box. While creating your password, make sure to use all of these criteria displayed on the screen. Now, go to the next field where it says confirm password and type in the password one more time. Now, once you are done confirming your password, you'll now need to verify your email. So tap on send code at the bottom of the screen and wait for the email verification code sent to your email. Once you are done, go and open up your email inbox where you'll receive a reset your OKX account password email. Now once you open it up, go ahead and copy the code that you received, get back to the OKX app and enter the code in the verification tab. Finally, tap on confirm and you have successfully reset to a new password on OKX wallet. Next time you log into your account, you'll now need to enter the newly created password so that you can log into your account without any problem. So that was how you can easily reset to a new password on OKX even if you've forgotten your password during logging into your account. If the video was helpful to you, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in the next episode. Goodbye till then.